呦！
This morning I went to eat black and white cats. I don't know why the more I eat the more cats there are. This is the initial scene. I drove to Cultural Road to find breakfast. But not a single shop was open. So I came to the familiar black and white cut. Black and white cut. Black and white cut mainly features braised pork rice as its main dish. And there are many side dishes to choose from. It is a type of traditional Taiwanese meal. The variety of side dishes you see now. These are the side dishes you can choose from at Black and White Cut. There is a rich variety. There are meats, vegetables and seafood. This is the braised pork rice and the soup I ordered.
谢谢。
And this plate is the meat, vegetables and bamboo shoots I ordered. I don't know why the more I eat the more cats come close to me. There were originally only 3. Later, it slowly became 5. I am guessing. Maybe they were hungry, so I tried throwing them some vegetables to see if they would eat. To my surprise, they really started eating. Thus, the opening scene was created. Since they looked very hungry eating these things, and they started to snatch from each other. So I decided that everyone should get a reward. I distributed a bit of vegetables to each of them. They ate happily. I really like orange cats. Orange cats are very cute. I really want to take it home to raise, but I can't. I already have 2 children at home. And there's also a dog, so I can't take in more. I can't have more creatures living in my home.